That's the whole point of, I guess, scrapping. Using different methods to get into stuff. That's some of the, I guess, fun part of scrapping. At least I enjoy that part. Let's see if there's a screw in here. No, there's definitely no screw there. Huh. I wonder how this thing opens. I wonder if we just have to crack it open. Nothing there either. Oh, so weird. No screws. Yeah, it goes straight through. Oh, I see. Their screws are deep. So, yeah, the screws are in here. Can't get these caps off. They're difficult to take off. So, pretty much have to drill through. I guess an easier way would just be to take a hammer to it and bust it open, but what's the fun in that? Yeah, I guess it could be fun in that too. Yeah, see, there's these caps that are impossible to take out. Go. Now I should be able to get in there and unscrew everything. Nice and easy. Like that. We'll unscrew everything and get to the motor. I'm guessing depending on how you guys scrap, it could be a copper bearing motor, or you strip it down, get into the copper. Let's see if you could.